subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched two new 5G-enabled smartphones under F series globally called Poco F5 and Poco F5 PRO. Among these two, the Poco F5 PRO is the higher variant with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Poco F5 PRO 5G smartphone. The Poco F5 PRO 5G features a 6.67-inch WQHD+ AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1400 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified with Dolby Vision technology, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 730 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Poco F5 PRO 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view, along with the 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 24 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5160 mAh battery with 67W wired and 30W wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with MIUI 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it has a large PC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. And it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.8 by 75.4 by 8.6mm, and it weighs around 204 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Poco F5 PRO 5G has been priced as follows, and it will be available at a discount price under early bird sale for a limited period of time, in black and white color options. So what do you guys think of this Poco F5 PRO 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.